Guys, we are here again in the nice garden at the sea, by the sea, and by the park. Kasi maganda ang puno. Lovely ang Marlo there with my darling babes. Good morning.
Morning.
Here we go guys. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out. Ito yung pinakamagandang garden. Gandang garden loves. Picture mo sa atin Marlo. Picture kita kamo. Garden. Pag ganito yung bahay mo guys, mga lalabs, magandang ganitong bahay. Mega love shout out. Bye.